Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at the certified pre-owned 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara in billet silver. With LED reflector headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, body-colored 3-piece hardtop, blind spot and cross path detection, LED tail lamps, rear window wiper and washer, leather trim seats with Sahara logo, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 26,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with navigation, a rear backup camera, command track part-time 4-wheel drive system, a rear 60/40 folding seat, all powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 63978.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.